Hello everyone and welcome back to another Argovis tutorial video. I'm excited to broadcast a new way to visualize Argo's biogeochemical data, or BGC, measurements that give glimpses of aquatic life. High-tech sensors strapped to Argo floats sample dissolved oxygen, nitrogen, chlorophyll, and more. These types of measurements are becoming more common with Argo. I wrote this module for those who want to get started using this data. We start on the Argovis homepage. Clicking on a green dot representing a BGC float opens a pop-up window. Following the link on the bottom opens a new page to the BGC platform viewing module. What's taking so long? This platform in the Black Sea has 196 profiles. It can take some time to parse and plot the data using these charts. Excuse me while I fast forward ahead. There, all done. The float started off the coast of Bulgaria, drifting across to the Pontic coast of Turkey and onwards around Georgia. Some of the platform metadata is displayed on the top of this page, such as Primary Investigator and Data Acquisition Center. I included some links to two other apps, JCOMOPS and Fleet Monitor, for additional information on this platform. Station parameters are the measurement that this float collects. 13 different sensors have made 237 profiles. If we were to plot this as we have done for normal Argo floats, it would take forever for the page to load. Instead, I only get 2 of the 13 available station parameters at a time, shown by these charts. By default, we have dissolved oxygen and temperature. If you want to change the color scale, you have the option with this drop-down menu. The chart is redrawn without the need to reload the data from the server. You are also able to change the minimum and maximum values for the color scale, like so. We included a download button that sends the user the data used to make this plot as JSON. What makes the Black Sea so fascinating is how little oxygen there is. It's so anoxic that wood-eating organisms cannot survive at the seafloor. Shipwrecks dating as far back as 400 BC have been discovered, with their hulls, rudders, masts, and decks almost completely intact. Here are line charts which plot 3 separate parameters versus another. The axes change by selecting the available parameters on the drop-down menu. The bottom table shows meta information for each profile. You can sort and filter this table, as well as download the table in a number of formats. As the Argo BGC floats produce more data, this page will be refactored and improved. Feel free to comment on this video with some of your ideas for improvement. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.